Welcome to the ultimate guide to Ledger Live, a powerful platform that allows you to manage your cryptocurrencies seamlessly and securely. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, Ledger Live has tools designed to make managing your digital assets intuitive and stress-free. First, we'll cover how to download and install the Ledger Live application, available for both desktop and mobile. Once installed, you'll learn how to set up and connect your Ledger hardware wallet for the first time. Ledger Live offers a simple, step-by-step process to ensure that your crypto remains safe from hacks and other threats. With the wallet connected, you'll explore the dashboard, where you can view balances and monitor your portfolio across various cryptocurrencies. You can easily add account for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported coins by selecting Add Account and following the prompt to synchronize your wallet with the app. Next, we'll delve into sending and receiving crypto. Learn how to generate secure receiving addresses and review transactions to ensure accuracy. Ledger Live uses state-of-the-art encryption to keep your assets protected during every transfer. If you're interested in earning passive income, the staking feature will excite you. You'll discover how to stake assets like Ethereum and Polkadot directly through the app, earning rewards over time. Ledger Live makes it easy by showing real-time APR rates and estimated earnings. Another powerful feature is the ability to swap assets securely. Whether converting Bitcoin to Ethereum or diversifying into smaller altcoins, the in-app swap functionality streamlines the process while ensuring maximum security for your funds. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Ledger Live security settings are crucial. We'll walk you through enabling advanced options like two-factor authentication and setting up secure passcodes. With these measures in place, you can confidently manage your assets without fear of unauthorized access. Finally, you'll see how Ledger Live's integrated market tools provide insights into current prices and trends, enabling smarter decision-making. For users interested in decentralized applications, Ledger Live supports seamless integration, allowing you to interact with DeFi platforms securely. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Don't forget to sign up using our link https://lnk.do/jkukoif to claim your bonus and get started on your crypto journey today.